Hi, welcome to the Cocktail Blog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a monkey shine. So first of all, a big shout out and massive thank you to Sam Latharus for sending me a bottle of Malibu. He had a cocktail request. I didn't actually have a bottle, and very generously sent me a bottle. Sam from Tasmania, thank you. I really appreciate it. Appreciate this huge support from people like Sam that support the channel and keep it going and keep me interested. It's crazy, the community of YouTube, and this is why I keep doing what I'm doing. So the Monkey Shine is a really simple 3-ingredient cocktail that first originated in 2003 from the Bellagio in Vegas. So this is a slight variation. I'm not sure exactly how different it is from the original recipe, but it is very simple, so I'm going to give it a go. And I also do have another Malibu compilation coming up, so make sure you subscribe if you're not already, so you can see that video that will be coming very soon. So to start off, you want to add a sugar rim to your glass. So this particular sugar is a cinnamon sugar. So I don't know the exact proportions that I've done. I've just thrown some cinnamon in there and seeing how that goes. But you basically want to use your citrus. I'm just using an orange and wetting the outside of the glass before dipping it into the cinnamon sugar. I'll just give it a light tap just to get rid of any excess sugar. It's not the best job I've done, but it'll do. And I just want to add a single cube into my glass to make sure that's chilling down while I make the drink. So start off with your cocktail shaker and measure out a double shot. I always say double shot, but in Australia, a double shot is 60 ml. I'm pretty sure in the States and possibly some other places such as the UK, that's not correct, but 60 ml or 2 ounces. And follow that with your Malibu, coconut rum or coconut rum liqueur. It's been a long time since I've had a bottle. It smells sweet and tasty. So 30 ml, a single ounce, add that to your shaker. Follow that with fresh pineapple. 30 ml, 1 ounce. And that's it. Add ice to your shaker, give it a shake and strain it into your glass. And of course, if preferred, you can double strain. So the coils on this strainer are really quite fine, so there's no extra ice shards in there. There probably is a little bit of extra texture from the pineapple juice, but it isn't going to be really pulpy. So if you prefer, you can fine strain. It's completely up to you. So there you have the Monkey Shine. Cheers. So the most prominent flavors, notes that come off the nose is that cinnamon, followed by the fresh pineapple. Very tropical flavors with that hint of spice from the cinnamon, so they should work quite well together. It's a lot more potent than I was expecting. I was expecting it a little bit sweeter from the pineapple juice, but I mean, it does have, 3/4 of the drink is spirit, being the white rum and the Malibu. So yeah, I don't know where my thought process was there. I was just expecting sweeter. I would like more fresh pineapple juice. So if I was to make this again, which to be honest, I probably wouldn't. This is not the typical kind of drink that I do go for, but if I was to make it again, I'd probably shake it, serve it over ice, a little bit more fresh pineapple, probably not serve it with a sugar rim, but incorporate cinnamon in some way. It needs some tweaking, refining, and if you do make this and refine it yourself, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers. pineapple juice. Yeah, that's not pleasant. You're still filming it. It was great. It was so good. It was delicious.
Maybe it's just like, that's what you drink in Vegas.